Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be telling you what day the next arena season will be coming out and what the theme of it will be. So the arena season is going to end in 20 days because 19 days plus 21 hours is basically 21 days, or 20 days. In 20 days it will be June 9th. June 9th is on a Thursday. Prodigy updates their game, which will be they update it on Tuesdays, which means it'll be on the 14th. And furthermore, here on February 8th, the Food Fight Arena season ended. And on February 8th, that was a Tuesday. And if we look back at my channel, just a few days later, about a week later, on the 15th, which was another Tuesday, the next arena season came out. So this shows that Prodigy will add the next arena season a week after it comes out. I was about to say a month for some reason, but it is a week. So a week after will mean that the next arena season will come out on the 14th, and that we are going to get on what the theme is. So I think the theme is going to be realistic, or futuristic, or sci-fi. And I'm going to be showing you, this is like a supernova or a electric ball, which looks pretty cool. This is supposed to be a buddy. It was in the leaked files for buddies. All of these leaks are from First Bait Craig on Prodigy Wiki Fandom, so big shout out to him. So the next one we have is another buddy. A lot of these I've already shown. Some of them are new, but this is a buddy, kind of like a light bulb. So yeah, I'm guessing this is going to be in the next one because it's like technology themed, which means that it could be sci-fi. So this one, I'm guessing would be sci-fi because there are like goggles on it. It's a blob with goggles, so it's like a scientist kind of. That's really all I could think of it, and not really sure when this would ever have a chance to come out again. So this is another leaked buddy, kind of like a potion. This would be sci-fi, because potions. Yeah. This is a Adam wand. I'm assuming that all of these are going to be in the silver bracket of the arena. These are like boots. This is like a scientist's robe. This is a laser eye with a lens to see, like, if you're wearing glasses. This is a wand. This is the boots for the bronze set. This is part of the bronze set also, or at least that's what I'm assuming. We have this. We don't have the gold arena gear yet, which Prodigy has done alright. They have done pretty good at hiding that stuff. So this is going to be the hat, and then here are the trophies, which I did a whole video on, or not a whole video, it was just an leaked items video. So this eye could be like robots themed, which would be sci-fi. And then here's the silver, here is the bronze. Here is like a hologram, which would be sci-fi, because when you think of the future, or you think of holograms, you'd think of the future. So I'm pretty sure that's all yes. So that is going to end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will be streaming when the next arena season comes out, because I am finally unbanned, and bye.